Hello, and today we're going to be having a quick look at this custom that I did 4 months ago. This is a Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. This was a custom I did around, I believe, January, early January. I couldn't upload the video because, well, I was really lazy actually. So at first I didn't really feel confident about releasing this, custom to my YouTube channel because at first I thought it looked really bad, but after doing some photo shoots, it looked pretty decent, I'd say. This is definitely better than my last custom, which is the Porsche right here with the actual Hot Wheels premium tires. These are not the real rider tires, or I mean rims. These are, I believe, 3D printed. I'm not sure. You can definitely notice the chrome being really different. So yeah, this was originally a Mainline from 2019. The wheels had their chrome rubbed off, so I just took them out and wheel swapped them. I definitely did it in a really cheap manner. I would say it's not really the best method, without drill of course, so don't really ask advice on how I wheel swap this guy. You can find plenty of great tutorials online. Red interior. I actually do have its blue variant. I don't have it with me right now, but yeah. This thing also did receive a lot of real rider releases. One in yellow, I believe, another one in red. Might get the yellow one because it looked cool, but satisfied with this one right here. This one, sorry about that. This one is not that great, really. This was my first ever wheel swap. I just super glued all the wheels. Not exactly, these two wheels are glued. The others, they roll. I did it with a drill, without a drill. So, yeah. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.